Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is areas related to circle. And in that class we discuss some important questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay? Now dear friends, we are going to take and solve some important questions of your NCERT exercise based on area related to circles. Now let's see dear student that questions, okay, which is very important for you and your upcoming examination. And your question is in the given figure AB and CD are two diameters. AB and CD are two diameters of a circle of a circle with center O. With center O perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. Okay, there are two diameters AB and CD of which are perpendicular to each other, and OD is the diameter of the smaller circle, and OD be the diameter of the smaller circle. Okay, if OA is equal to 7 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. Okay, and now let's draw its figure. This is a very important question of your NCERT exercise. Now this is a figure and two diameters which are perpendicular to each other, which is what? AB and CD. This is A, B, C, D, which are intersect to each other. Okay, with O as center. And dear student, OD be the OB be the diameter of the smaller circle. Okay, here OD be the smaller circle. This is your figure. OA is equal to 7 centimeter is given that. OA 7. Okay, now look. So this is 7 centimeter. This is because of the radius of the circle remains same. Okay, and this is this portion. Now this is here O dash, let us take, and smaller circle to that region. Okay, and that region. This is the shaded one. This is the shaded region. Okay, yes. So in that figure, this is the question here. This is very important question of your NCERT exercise. Now look here in the given figure. There's two chords, no, two diameters as AB. Diameter is what? Diameter is the longest chord of the circle, and in this way you also says that ki a line segment, a chord which is passes through the center is called its diameter. So here AB and CD both the diameters passes through both the chord passes through the center O. So it is the what? Diameters of the circle. So, okay, with center O, and both the diameter are perpendicular to each other. Now, and OD be the is diameter of the smaller circle. Now look, OD here, OD with the diameter of the smaller circle. OD is also equal to 7 centimeter because of OE is given at Now let's see from figure. Since O each equal OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD, each equal to radius R, which is equal to 7 centimeter. From figure it is clear that na कि OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD, each equal to radius of the circle. Now first of all we find the radius of the smaller circle, and radius of the smaller circle, let us R dash is equal to what, 7 by 2 centimeter, means that is what, 7 by 2 centimeter. Now clear dear friends? So we find what, we find the area of the shaded region. Shaded portion is what, first of all we write the area of smaller circle, whole is smaller circle, because of that whole region is shaded, and we calculate the area of semicircle minus area of triangle ABC. Okay, in this way we find them. Let's see. With AB as diameter. Now look. So from figure area of shaded region, area of the shaded region, area of the shaded region, okay, is equal to area of the smaller circle, area of the smaller circle with radius R dash is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter, plus area of the circle with AB as diameter, area of semicircle, plus area of semicircle with AB as diameter, minus, look, because of in that semicircle only that region is shaded na, minus area of triangle ABC, minus area of triangle ABC. This is the concept of that questions. Now we put the formula for each and every portion and simplify them, so we get our result. Let's see. So look, area of a smaller circle is what, pi r square, so pi into r square, r is what, 7 by 2 square, plus area of semicircle 1 by 2 into pi r square, r radius of smaller semicircle is what, 7 with AB as diameter, okay, minus area of triangle ABC. Now area of triangle ABC 1 upon 2 base into height, so 1 upon 2 base as AB, height as what, OC, because this is the perpendicular to that each other. Now we simplify them, so 22 upon 7 to 49 upon 2 to the 4 plus 1 upon 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7 minus 1 upon 2 base into height, base is what, 7, 7 AB is 14, height is what, 7. Now look here, 2 1 11 2 2s are, so 11 into 49 upon 7 2s are 14, okay, my plus here 7 7 cancel to each other, 2 11s are 11 7s are 77, 11 7s are 77, minus 2 7s are 7 7s are 49, minus 49, okay. Now what I do, dear friends, let's see. We simplify them, 7 2s are 7 7s are, okay, तो 11 7 जा 77, 11 7 जा 77 ना. Yes. तो we have 11 7 जा 77, 77 upon 2. 77 minus 49. Let's see. 49. 6. 26. Minus 12 plus 26 is left here. Okay. Now we simplify them. So let's see. So 77 upon 2 we just divided them. So 77 16 38.5. So dear student, 38.5 plus 26 8 64 point something. No. So 38 point something is there now. So look, 77 11 7 77 plus here 26 is there, and now okay, now here this is 11 to 14. Oh, 7 14. 7 7 11 7 77 upon 2. So we divided by 2, 38.5 and 26. So adding them, so we get what? Let's see. So 26 or 38, 26 or 38, 64.5 something, 64.5 centimeter square. Centimeter square. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay. So dear student, this is the method to solve that type of questions. So please, dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that, you complete your NCERT exercise. Now we take and solve some other important question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Let's see. Now calculate the area of the design region. Calculate the area of the designed region. Designed region common between two quadrants, common between two quadrants, common between two quadrants of circles of radius, of circles of radius 8 centimeter each. Okay, and your design is okay. Now look, calculate the area of the design. This one and this one designs. Okay, and each angle is 90, dear students. This is 91, this is 91. A B C D, this is A B C D. Okay, and in this way, in this is design. Okay, in that, in this way. this is the design region. Okay, we find the area of that region. And dear friends, according in that figure, this is 8 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter, this is 8, and this is 8. Means this design is in the is in square. Okay, now look, dear friend, this is the very important question. Okay, here calculate the area of designed region common between two quadrants of circles of radius 8. So first of all, we take two quadrants here. Let's see here, two quadrants. First one is what? Quadrant A, B, D. Okay, and in that portion, the quadrant is what? C, D, B. But in both the quadrant, there is some common points, common areas. But this is unshaded region, na? We only find that. Agar if we join BD as a diagonal, suppose that, dear friends, if okay, so that area of quadrant minus area of triangle ABD, so we get that half design. Similarly in that side, we area of quadrant BCD and area of triangle, this is -1, so we also find half design of that side. So in this way we find the area of whole the design. So let us let BD is joined, BD is joined, then a triangle BAD, then a triangle BAD and BCD, and triangle BCD is formed, are formed. Okay, now, but in that question, the area, the radius of the each quadrant, half that side, half that side, is remains same, and also area of triangle also is same area, because of base or height is also same. So we can write, thus from figure, area of shaded region, is equal to 2 times what? Area of quadrant, ABD, ABDA minus area of triangle BAD, Okay, now look, so 2 into area of quadrant, you know that pi r square by 4, so 1 by 4 into pi r square minus area of triangle 1 upon 2, base into height. Base is 8, height is 8. Okay, now we simplify that expression, so we get, let's see, 2 into, this is 1 upon 4 into 22 upon 7 into r square, means 8 into 8 minus 2 4s are 8 4s are 32. Now 4 2s are 8, so we have 2 into, this is 44 into 8 minus 32 upon 7. Now from there we take 8 as common, so 16 is here, and we have 44 upon 7 minus 4. Now we also take 4 as common, so 16 to 4 take common, so here 11 upon 7 minus 1. This is 64 into 4 upon 7, 4 upon 7. So we get 8 256 upon 7 centimeter square. This is the required solution of the given questions. Okay, so dear friend, this is the one of the most important question based on areas related to circles. So please dear friends, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, this is the very important questions. Now dear friend, we take and solve some other important questions based on these topics. Let's see. Now let's see some other important questions. Now this is the question, very important question. Find the area of the shaded region. This is a very important question of your NCERT exercise. Find the area of the shaded region in the given figure. In the given figure, where a circular arc, where a circular arc, where the circular arc of radius 6 centimeter has been drawn with vertex O, has been drawn with vertex O, okay, of an equilateral triangle OAB, O of an equilateral triangle OAB of side 12 centimeter as center, of side 12 centimeter as center. Okay, find the area of the shaded region in the given figure where a circular arc of radius 6 centimeter has been drawn with vertex O of an equilateral triangle of side as center. Now look, so an equilateral triangle is given, okay, and O as center, and this is this way A, which this is 12 centimeter, okay, and this is 6 okay, 6 centimeter, and this one is a shaded region. This is the shaded portion. Okay, so now let's read solution from figure. Area of shaded region is equal to area of triangle OAB, area of triangle AOB plus area of circle minus area of, if we joining them, this is the form of sector, and you know that the each angle of an equilateral triangle is what, 60 degree. So minus area of sector of radius 6 centimeter and central angle is 60 degrees. Now we put the value of its formula. This is so area is root 3 by 4 into side square. Side is 12 square plus pi r square. This is pi into 6, r means 6 square, minus area of sector is what, theta upon 360 into pi r square, means pi into r yani 6 square. Now we simplify them, so we get as what, root 3 by 4 into 144 or plus 36 pi, 0 0 cancel, 6 6 is 36, minus pi upon 6, pi upon 6 into 6 6 is 36. Now here 4 3 is 12, 6 to 36 under root 3, so 36 under root 3 plus 36 pi minus 6 pi. Six pi, this is the 6 is the 36 pi minus 6 pi. This is 6 and 6 is the 36, it's minus 6 pi. So we get what, 36 under root 3 plus 36 pi minus 6 pi. This is what, 30 pi. 30 pi. Now the value of pi is 22 upon 7. So we get 30 into 22 upon 7 plus 36 under root 3. So we get what, 660. We get 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 0, 660 upon 7 plus 36 under root 3 centimeter square. This is the required solution of the given question. So let's see once more time. Here this is the figure, this is an equilateral triangle and a circle formed as a vertex, and we find the area of shaded region. So we find the area of shaded region by using the formula area of triangle AOB plus area of circle minus area of that sector of radius 6 and central angle 60 degree. Okay, and after putting the formula we put each and every value in that expressions. Okay, and after simplify them we get the value of the shaded region is 660 upon 7 plus 36 under root 3 centimeter square. So in this way you can solve that type of questions. So dear students, in this way in today's class we take and solve some important NCERT questions which is based on shaded figures and topic area related to circles, and we solve all the important questions based on of your NCERT exercise. So first of all you revise all the important questions which we discuss in that class. After that you complete your NCERT exercise. In next class we take and solve some important questions of your syllabus. based on area related to circle. So first you complete your NCRT exercise. Okay dear students, now thanks to all.